welcome to the fifth video. Here I'll teach you how to find the multiples of the given number. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to ask the input from the user that those multiples are required and how many multiples are required. Okay, so two inputs are required. So there are two inputs, let be number 1 and number 2. Okay, let's start the program. Print main. Now declaring the two variables, let the two variables be now 1 and now 2. Now I will take the input from the user. Enter the number whose multiples are required. Then say statement to be number 1. Then next, ask to the user that how many multiples are required. And the input will be now 2. Then after this fine, then now I'll be using for loop. The iteration will start from I equal to 1 and I will be less than equal to not 2. Okay, do not exceed the value of not 2 because I need that much number of multiples. Then replacement. Here I will use /t. /t is I am writing in /t. It will be horizontal tab. This is horizontal. I am not using newline here. I am using horizontal tab /t. And what it will print? It will print I multiplied number 1. Okay, I am writing in the comments line. /t is horizontal tab. So everything is ready. Now my last statement will be return 0. Let's save the file. Okay, not shown any output. Okay, my codes are ready. Let's check the output. Compile the file. There is no error. Run it. Enter the number whose multiples are required. Let I want the multiples of 3. 10 multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, got it. This is how I'll do it. Okay, this is how we print the multiples of a given number. Okay, this is up to the 5th lecture. In the 6th lecture, I'll teach you how to find the factorial of a number. Okay, thank you.